Here we are picking up the lawnmower. There it is, heading home now. Hopefully we make it without it falling out. Alright guys, so today we're going to try bench testing a 420 Briggs & Stratton engine. First we got to get the engine. There it is. It's a pretty big engine. We got it at an auction yesterday. We need to see if it works. There we go. First thing we got to do on this nice, bright, sunny, warm fall day is get your best gloves on. Perfect. Alright, we're going to dig out this old lawnmower that we're turning into a trailer. We started that like 2 years ago. We're going to mount it to there. Oops. Okay, 20 minutes later, found a couple of bolts to bolt it down here. Want at least 2 to hold it to this frame so it doesn't walk away. Okay, let's go ahead and check the oil. Nice and clean. Okay, choke on, fuel on, throttle up, see what happens. Oh yeah, probably takes a little bit for that gas to get down there. Looks nice. Okay, let's start. Feels kind of nasty smelling. Let's drain it. That'd be one reason. Ain't no fuel in the carb. Yeah, I'd say that's a dirty carb.
Yeah.
So you can pull it further away without breaking it.
Wow, that's really...
Okay, so we don't need to take them off.
Yo, why does the gas smell like sweet apples? Like, you know, when you smell like we have sweet apples, and it smells exactly like these. I just want to drink it. It's gas. See that? It's dirty.
Yeah. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, we need some kind of little bowl or container to put all these parts in then. You should wear gloves doing this. Yeah. Perfect. Yum, yum. Ooh-wee. That was like a very, very dirty carb. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, hopefully it all doesn't start leaking out. There we go.
Oh, it's all over. Oh.
Give it a second. Fill up that carb bowl. Hopefully we don't see gas leaking everywhere.
What happened?
Looking good so far. Okay. just got done working on the Briggs & Stratton 420 engine over there. Successfully got that working. Now we're going to work on this Briggs B115 Wheel Horse. Got this at the same auction as that. We did get the fire over yesterday, but it's flooding fuel out of the carb like crazy, so more carb work. Let's get to it. All right, just did the carb cleaning on this thing. Runs and drives, smokes a little, but hopefully we just gotta break it in. One of the wheels for the deck is all crappy. Gotta look for a replacement. Battery's super low, 10 volts. Now we gotta get that wheel replace it. It's got some holes. Stuck. This is the one we're going to replace it with. Oh yeah, that's the goop. There it goes. Well, so much for that. The shaft size is different. Both 20-inch tires, but I mean one's skinnier, 8-inch versus 10-inch, but it still would have worked, but the shaft size is different. Well, I found a pair of 18s. That's definitely not ideal. Yeah, the 18s are so rusty. I can't get them on all the way. Anyways, that's not what I want on there. So I'm going to take it off, put the 20s back on. We're going to have to buy a tube for now. So close. Yeah. All right. It was a long day working on this. Battery's not fully charged yet, but we'll see what happens. Tire's flat. Need an inner tube for it or a new tire. See what happens though. Whoa. Guess it works.
Works.
Right.
That tire.
Yup.
Reminds me of the truck.
There it is, Wheel Horse.